case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The New York Supreme Court overturned a lower court's ruling in a contract case, Fortis Financial Services, LLC v. Fimat Futures USA Inc. in 2002. The case revolved around a sublease contract that stipulated the subtenant's responsibility to restore the premises to their pre-lease state. The subtenant claimed an exemption from their restoration responsibilities, citing a provision within the contract as evidence. However, the court disagreed, scrutinizing the language of the contract to discern the intentions of the two parties involved. The court, highlighting the fact that a contract should always represent the holistic intention of both parties, scrutinized the contentious provision. They sought to determine whether the provision indeed absolved the subtenant of restoration duties. The analysis reversed the original order, denying the motion to dismiss the complaint and defending the first cause of action. On considering the broader terms of the contract, the court established that the contract did explicitly impose a restoration obligation on the subtenant. The sublease mentioned that all alterations made by the subtenant ought to be undone at their own cost, upon termination or expiration of the lease. Disagreeing with the lower court's initial dismissal of the case, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the tenant. Critics of the initial decision contend that it was erroneous to let the subtenant bypass their restoration responsibilities. The tenant was therefore allowed to file a breach of contract claim against the subtenant. The subtenant, upon failing to legally back their claims, was reinstated with the restoration obligation. Therefore, the Supreme Court's ruling spotlighted the importance of thorough analysis and interpretation of contract provisions in the court of law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.